What's good, peoples?
Welcome to another video, and we are coming to you from Naran in Pakistan, and we are going whitewater rafting in Naran. We're so excited. This is the beautiful river right here, and this is the view that we have, and we cannot wait. Let's get it!
Let's go!
Cheers! Oh, look at that! Oh, our boat has arrived. This is our whip for the day. Cheers!
Look at me, orange on orange.
Oh!
Matching.
Look at you go.
That looks good.
It does, yeah.
Love it. Yeah, it's our turn now.
Malik looks like he's wearing a North Face jacket.
I know, Malik is a fashion guy, man.
We've got to get our little life vests on, and then we're going to get
need to get your
in the
life vest.
raft.
Let's go.
We are now in waterproof mode-ish. We're hoping we're not going to fall in. You are on the GoPro.
I don't have it.
We're ready. We're going with Malik and Umair. Denzel is ahead. And this activity costs 3,000 Pakistani rupees, which is, quick maths, about £8. So, not bad at all, guys. For a little boat ride. Our sturdy whip. Look at this. We got it. Corner.
Yeah, put your foot in here.
Okay.
Yeah, hold it.
Wrapped in. Oh, we've got a guide with us as well. It's not water you want to fall into.
Cold.
Cold? Oh my goodness.
It's very cold.
Hopefully, guys, we don't fall in.
Yeah, no. That is freezing.
Because it's chilly.
It's fresh water. Okay. You can make the video well handed.
Oh.
It's getting handed over.
Oh, perfect. I'll be passenger princess.
Forward.
Oh, forward.
Malik, careful. You're splashing.
Slow paddles.
Sorry, it's the wind.
I've never heard Denzel be so assertive in his life. He said, Malik!
It's because it's cold. If it was warm, I would eat. Why are you splashing me? Huh?
Ooh, that is some cold water. How you feeling?
I'm feeling right, feeling fresh.
Feeling fresh?
The cool breeze. After so many days and breeze.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's nice. This is great for me, guys. I'm chilling. All the boys are doing the heavy lifting. Doing the videography. Well, to be fair, Malik's also chilling. Woo.
Yeah, the content.
The content. Look at you go. Jeez. I love it. Look at that backdrop. Talk about whitewater rafting with a view. Jeez,
Oh yeah, man. That's a good suggestion.
No. We don't play these games today. No, because we'll be caught in the crossfire.
I know.
This is glacial meltwater, which is why it's so cold, guys. So it's hot outside, lovely day, but the water is freezing. Wow, just look at that backdrop, it's so beautiful. Uh-oh, we're going backwards, guys. Oh, God!
Sorry, ladies.
Just a boy from Rawalpindi and a boy from Lahore living their best life.
Enjoying life. This is cool.
It was nice. I'm pleased we did it. These two didn't want to get him in, but they look like they're having a lovely time. Look at them go. Are we taking them on tour, or are they taking us on tour? This is a heartbreak song.
That's the heartbreak one.
So this is a song is famous with all British, so we can record a video inside as well.
Okay, yeah, monetized. You get copyright.
This is Beth living her passenger princess life right now. Oh my goodness. Not a fan. Oh my god. Backwards. As a fresh morning breeze.
Job team.
Oh my goodness.
Nice team.
Good work. I didn't actually get too wet.
Are you wet?
A little bit, not a lot.
Oh,
How you doing?
I'm doing good. This is nice. Forward.
Forward. Ahoy, guys. You're doing a great job.
You both are good. We are content creators.
Me and Malik are chilling.
Bro, too hard, bro. Too hard. You can do it, bro. You also, bro.
He's working.
It's hard work.
I think you need more breakfast now.
More breakfast. More tonight.
Oh! Uh-oh. Splashing again.
Get it forward, don't sit.
Forward, 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 forward. Ah! Forward. Forward. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's a rock. Oh, look at that bridge. So pretty.
Back pedal,
Back pedal.
Stop.
Why is it always our side?
I know.
Woo!
Oh!
That is chilly.
I'm so sorry.
This is so pretty though.
Too big.
I am soggy.
Yeah, oh bless you.
Yeah. Just on one side.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a boy on the bridge. Bless. Oh, that wind on your wet arm. It's like ice. You can tell this is glacial water. Oh my goodness. Is that car proof?
Right here.
How nice is that? This is so
It's just
pretty.
me and Beth who's wet. Bro,
Yeah.
we're lucky we're not wet. It's just
Yeah.
me and Beth. I think so the weight
It
of
was
the
always
side is
our
too high.
side.
Yeah.
Yeah, the weight of those both guys have too much.
You said too much weight.
Yeah,
Oh,
we have same age, we have same weight, like
This
50
is too
50.
Yeah.
I think you guys eat a lot of food, that's why. The weight on that side.
Yeah, too much breakfast. To be fair, last time we went whitewater rafting in Bali, it was Denzel that got wet all the time.
Yeah, I was getting drenched.
It was, so it is
Oh,
my
it's your
turn, yeah.
Oh, you can see the horse crossing the river.
Oh, what? What?
Like, all the
Oh,
way.
wow! There's a horse crossing the river over there. You might not be able to see it on this camera though, guys. That's so cool.
Forward, forward.
Forward
Guys,
paddle.
guys.
Ahoy, guys!
Power.
More power. Fast, 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 he said. Oh, of course. Oh my goodness. Not a fan of the spinning. We were spinning top.
I'll teach you how the local dance do. I know Gilgit and Rawalpindi and Lahore dance has one.
Alright, we're gonna learn some local dances, guys. Oh,
Oh, thank you so much.
thank you.
Pedal,
Shukriya.
pedal for photo.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. Shukriya. Thank you so much. Shukriya.
Pedal for picture.
Okay. He's made it. This has been such a fun experience. I had a great time. I was chilling. Oh, thank you. Oh, perfect.
So how's your experience with rafting, bro?
It was good, nice and cold.
So we've just got off the raft and Denzel was just saying this is so nice. It's like we're on a little beach next to the
Yeah.
river. Look at where our feet are. You see it's like a pebbly sand beach. And then the river is here. It goes all the way up into the mountains. Now if you are coming to Naran, highly recommend.
Yes.
It's not too like choppy at all, so it's definitely family friendly.
Yeah.
And it's just the most beautiful views. I think that's the best part about it. And you don't even really get that wet, just a little bit, like a little bit of splash.
Yeah.
But the water is low now. I don't know what it'd be like when the water's higher, because the water is low at the moment.
So it was quite nice and chilled, honestly.
Yeah. But now I'm guessing we have to walk back up.
I think so. Yeah.
But I mean, what a beautiful place to have a walk, guys.
So
'cause
nice and
look at
strong.
that. Look at
Stunning.
these two mischief makers. They're singing the whole way.
Yeah.
Love it.
This is lovely, man.
It
Absolutely
is.
lovely. Actually, also over there, I think they're playing.
Oh, they're playing
Yeah,
cricket.
Yeah,
Ah.
they're over there. That's why.
So guys, Pakistan has just won the cricket, right? So they're playing India in a few days.
I think so. Yeah.
Let's see if we can show you this horse crossing the river. You can see here, the horse is crossing with someone on it. And over that side They're all playing cricket on the riverbank. What a place to play cricket.
Honestly, that is fire.
So beautiful. I'm guessing we're all waiting for a bit of a ride back.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh look, he's selling some goods. Selling some grub. You've got a Riverside 7-Eleven. Riverside snack shop ready for you. Absolutely epic. Chana chaat. Oh, what is it?
Chana, potatoes. It's good for you as a vegetarian.
Oh,
Yeah, this
cool.
is all vegetarian, yeah.
It does. It looks like it's all salad, guys.
And some what, potatoes?
Yeah.
Very cool. That's good. Very cool.
Chakmata masala.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, we like spice.
I like the spice, it does look good.
It does look good. We have literally just eaten breakfast, but maybe later on in the day we'll have a chance to give that one a go. Very cool. Oh, here's the horse. Look at him. He's got GoPro and the horsey, bless. Oh, hey, hey. Love it. Did you hear him? He was just like, you're on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Wave.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, welcome to Two Frequent Flyers.
Also press the bell icon, please.
We're called Two Frequent Flyers. Yeah, thank you. TWO. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's the one, yeah.
Perfect.
I scores for that.
Ah, very good.
Also
That's actually the first person that's been able to spell it perfectly.
Yeah,
the first
sure,
time.
yeah.
That's really impressive. Maybe we should have picked an easier name.
Maybe. But it's fine.
the other one is hard to find.
Yeah.
Oh, the frequent flyers, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Actually, just in Lahore. We loved it. 4 days. Yeah, really, really
It
cool.
was nice, yeah.
If you are again in the Lahore, you are welcome to join us. You have dinner, lunch, or anything.
Thank you.
So much. You know,
To show our hospitality to you guys.
it means a lot. Really, thank you. It really does mean a lot. So many people have offered, honestly. It's so wholesome.
I love it. Thank you.
Absolutely love it. Very wholesome. Love it. Yeah,
yeah,
of
that'd be
course.
cool.
We would love
Yeah.
that. Let's all get a group photo together. Everyone's getting in. Oh, you all together?
Yes, yes.
Oh, so many of you. I love it. This is the whole gang. Look, guys.
Oh, man.
Guys, raise your hand and say cheese.
Cheese.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
You're more than welcome to
Oh.
join us. We can have dinner, lunch, anything if you want. We can have city tour, anything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
That
much.
is
We
so
appreciate it.
kind.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nottingham in England. Does that?
Yeah, from London. Yeah, London, UK.
Yeah.
Yeah, London, yeah.
UK.
Sorry?
Meeting you guys.
Yes,
Yeah,
and you
yeah,
guys.
definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, amazing.
Okay.
And
Off
there
we
is
go.
no food nearby. We can offer you that as well.
Oh, amazing.
We thank you very
Our
much. Thank you.
Instagram is attached to the YouTube, so feel free to
Yes,
follow
I
and then we
think
can.
Mohsin have already show the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The same as on Instagram
Yeah,
as well.
perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hunza, Skardu, base camps, and then Islamabad again at the end. Sorry?
It's your first tour to Pakistan.
First time, but we're loving it. It's amazing. Really wonderful. We're loving it. Every minute of it, really. It's so good. Yeah. Thank you.
guys. Thank you.
Lovely to meet you, yeah? Enjoy your trip. Oh, guys, the hospitality. I don't think we have been to one place in Pakistan where a stranger hasn't offered us dinner and to show us around their country. It's just, it makes me want to cry again. It's so wholesome. It's so wholesome. Oh, we're going to the Jeep. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, can we stand up? Ah, I'm so excited. We don't get to do this in the UK, guys.
Big boy, sorry.
Then you can stand up. Just hold on like this.
I'll be the little beep.
Beep, 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 beep. So they're now loading the back of the Jeep with the rafts that we were just in. And you can see everyone is all chilling here waiting for their Jeep, their turn to ride back up to the side. So you don't have to walk back, guys, by the way. You get a free ride.
I was worried. I thought I had to walk back bare feet.
Oh no, oh, bless you, I forgot about that.
It's fine.
Normally I'd rather take the car here, but we all are here.
Oh. All right, they're back in. I don't know what's going on. Do you know what's going on?
कोई मसला नहीं हम चले जाएंगे कोई इशू नहीं इसकी जूती नहीं है
We're all good?
All good?
All good. Okay. We're off! This is fun. This is as fun as the raft, I can't lie. We don't get to ride in the back of Jeeps. Oh my goodness, this is a bumpy road to be going on. Yeah, hold on guys. Hold on guys, I'll bump the ride. This guy just chilling on the front. Oh yeah, sure, thank you. Cheers! So much fun, wow. We are landing. Oh, perfect. Oh, okay.
It's good for my feet.
Oh,
be careful.
Be careful. Don't worry.
We both have strong feet, man.
Oh, Omer has given him his shoes. Stop it. Omer, you're too kind.
These are actually very comfortable.
Are they very good?
They are comfortable, they are nice.
Oh.
Maybe I need to buy me a pair, I can't lie.
Do you? Wait, maybe we can find you some. They look good as well, look at you. Oh. Bye-bye, shukriya. Oh, so smiley. This has been so much fun. I can't take the smile off my face.
What a vibe.
Yes,
Don't
of course.
forget to say
Yes.
You'll just have to give a honest review. No, nothing frame, nothing.
Okay, perfect. Of course.
Please.
We're just doing the last little bit of the walk back because the rafts get dropped off a little bit further back, but the walk is like we're walking into heaven. It's just so beautiful. Look at this. Imagine walking along the side of the road and this is your view.
And imagine doing this in the hall.
Yeah, no, couldn't do it, no.
Like 2 minutes and then you'll be drenched in sweat.
Yeah, the temperatures are so beautiful here, guys. The temperature is as beautiful as the view. And the view
And then we've got
is
Malik,
flipping beautiful.
who doesn't want to walk.
Hello! I love the colourful buses, they're so much fun. So guys, that was whitewater rafting in Naran. It was insane.
Vibes.
And now we're making our way to Chilas, so we will see you in the next one. Cheers!